Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Ragi breakfast smoothie recipe for weight loss. This healthy dairy and sugar-free smoothie is loaded with fiber, protein and natural healthy fats. It's easy to make on those busy mornings. It does not contain any added sugar or banana. It helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, hence ideal for weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy and filling Ragi breakfast smoothie, into a bowl I am adding in 1/4 cup of Ragi flakes, also known as Ragi owl, and I am lightly roasting the Ragi flakes. Ragi or finger millet is a whole grain and it is completely gluten free. It is rich in fiber and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, thus helps in weight loss and weight management. It is packed with calcium, good carbs, amino acid and vitamin D. Ragi has a good amount of iron, thus ideal for those with iron deficiency anemia. Once you start to see steam coming out, then the Ragi is lightly roasted. So I'm going to turn off the flame and transfer this to another plate and allow it to cool down completely. Once transferred to a plate, allow it to cool down completely. While the Ragi is cooling down, I am slicing 3 medium-sized ripe chikoo, also known as sapota. So I'll just show you how I slice the chikoo. I slice it half like this, and with a spoon I just scoop out the flesh like this. So this is how I remove the chikoo. 3 medium-sized ripe chikoo. Into my blender jar I am adding in the sliced chikoo. I have already soaked 8 cashew nuts, or about a handful of cashew nuts. I have soaked the cashew nuts for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now I am adding the cashew nuts into the blender jar. Now you need a good source of healthy fats like cashew nuts for better assimilation of vitamin D in the Ragi, which is a fat soluble vitamin. So any good source of healthy fats like cashew nuts, or even overnight soaked and peeled almonds, nut butters, any healthy fat of your choice will be ideal. Healthy fats is a must for better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. For some extra omega-3s, fiber and protein, I am adding in 1 tablespoon flaxseeds. Again, for some extra omega-3s, fiber and protein, I am adding in 1 tablespoon chia seeds. For sweetness, I am adding in a soft medjool dates. I prefer to use medjool dates in my recipes as they are soft and easily blendable. However, if your dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak it for about 10 minutes, or you can soak it along with the cashew nuts and then add it into the blender. You can increase or decrease dates as per your sweetness. Into this I am adding in 1 cup or 1 glass of water. For flavor, I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can also use a small piece of cinnamon instead. And now I am going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. For topping, I am using walnut from this brand. This is one brand which I found online and I've been liking some of their products. Now this is not a sponsored video. Many of you always ask me to show or enlighten you the products I use in my recipes. Hence I am showing you. I'll be using a couple of walnuts to garnish the smoothie. Just before serving the smoothie, add the roasted Ragi flakes onto a serving glass and then pour in the thick and creamy smoothie. With a spoon, lightly give it a stir so that the Ragi flakes gets easily dispersed in the smoothie. The Ragi flakes will give a nice subtle crunch to the smoothie. Hence it's ideal to add into the smoothie just before serving the smoothie. A little more smoothie left, so I'm topping it with the rest of the smoothie. I have a handful or 5 walnuts. I'm going to crush it with my hand like this, and I'm topping it over the smoothie. And my super healthy Ragi breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy Ragi smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.